Okay, diya ta karon sa Tacloban City. Nag-seminar tas DOH guys about sa unliquidated. Mo ni Tacloban City guys. Data sa Padre Burgos. Sabi sa mo ni Tacloban City. Panagsari ni guys ato di nato sayangan. Pag magtuloy-tuloy ni guys na magsigit training. Okay, ano ni Tacloban City. There is Tacloban. Anata sa luxury suite hotel. There is Tacloban City. Ating taong seminar sa DOH about sa unliquidated na mga transaction. Okay, ikupipi tinuray ng serbisyo with a purpose alang sa kayuban sa kanan o kalambuan diri along sa
that we will meet you para at least we will be able to understand or gather challenges and issues regarding implementation of our fund transfers or other for our programs and projects. Although we will not be able to assess or resolve issues considering we are only part of the program.
This morning, we will be discussing fund transfers lang and validity of funding, liquidations, if you have issues, kaya na din kita nakaka-liquidate, and if you have other questions, we'll also be showing to you the documentary requirements again for the liquidations. Okay. So let's start with Leyte. I divided it into the PMNP sites and non-PMNP sites. So let's start with, do we have LGU Santa Fe? Tigosaon, hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya, magtatagalog na lang ako. Isa-isahin po natin yung yung
po sinasuggest namin is direct po muna po yung pag-receive sa account and then pwede po copy na lang po yung sa HPEP or another original. Kasi yung nangyayari, nag-process sa HPEP pero hindi siya nakikita pa sa accounting. So yung documents USB, babalik pa rin po namin sa HPEP.
Okay po yun. Ano pa sila instruction yung bibig sa naman. So sa susunod na po.
And we will discuss with them also. Kasi yung mangyayari niyan, pag yung submission ninyo is to the program, pag sinubmit nila sa amin, tapos may lacking documents or may concerns kami, babalik-balik kayo, malayo pa naman kayo, di ba? So, mabuti sana kung ma-review muna namin, diretso na lang kayo sa accounting. And for that HPEP na instruction nila, we can discuss with them that also. You can provide a copy to them, submit to us for review, and you can provide a copy to HPEP also. Okay, thank you. Or RADAI, ang LDDAP ADA, and ROD. And kung HEA siya, approved payroll with signature of the recipients. Pero kung walang ganon na manual, pwede yung FinDev. Ano ba tawag sa LGU ng bank validated names? Yun. Okay po? Tapos, yung tatlong reports should be staff received by COA. So, hindi lang si FUR, but the ROD and the RCI, pa-staff receive na din natin sa COA. Kasi kung si FUR lang, pagdating sa DOH, yung may staff, i-require namin kayo. So, ulit-ulit tayo. So, para isang anuhan nila, eto, you may take a picture of the documentary requirements on the screen. So, I believe duly noted yun. Dito, okay tayo? Pwede yung makakita ng thumbs up kung okay tayo sa
considerations, kaya running a dairy. So, then again, Maraming salamat for submitting the required documents. Kaya kamo yung pinakadamo. So kung mag-submit ka mga tanan, the statistics immediately goes out. Kaya kamo yung pinakadamo out of the 70. So thank you. Okay. Jadi kita. This is as of 10 o'clock, kinangaga. Maybe nagbagunin niya na. Okay, wala pag mag-check. Alas 4 pa mag-check. Ang deadline ninin was yesterday. Pero fortunately, and the central office as of